Self-care Sunday has been a trend for about a few years now, but I can say Sundays are the best days to do self-care because it physically and mentally gets you ready and organized for the next week, and that is so important. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get ready for my week and what I do on Sundays to get ready and organized. I hope you can get some ideas from this video and it inspires you to start your week right. So I just came back from Target because I've been running out of things, and so I wanted to pick up a couple of things. I picked up aloe vera gel for my hair, and I saw this foot mask, so I bought it. It's from Aveeno and it's like $2.99. And I bought a Dove lotion that's like coconut and it matches my scrub, so I'm excited about that. And it smells so bomb. And then I got the Dr. Teal's lavender lotion, and it just smells so good, and lavender relaxes you, so when I put on nighttime. I got this Dr. Bronner's and I wanted to try it out. Next, I got the OxyClean Extra Strength Powder, and this is for vacuuming, mostly rugs. And so I just sprinkle it on and I just vacuum, and it makes the whole room smell so good and clean. My hair has been feeling so rough and dry because it's so cold outside, and I need some help. It needs some help. So I'm gonna put some aloe vera gel. And so I just went downstairs, I cut up the aloe vera, I came back up here, and I'm just gonna use a couple of them. I'm not even gonna use the whole plant, but I'll just cut it in the middle and then cut that in half and put it on my scalp. Aloe vera is so good for your hair. It promotes hair growth. If you put it directly on your scalp, it makes your hair so soft, shiny. For my type of hair, which is 3B, it helps so much. The curls are so shiny, bouncy. I love aloe vera, and I'm gonna consistently put this on because I used to do it and it used to make my hair grow so fast, but I stopped for some reason. But I'm gonna go back on it. Next, I'm gonna fold some of my laundry because I just did laundry. So I did my bedding before and then I did my clothes after, and I have so many headscarves and like nightcaps and everything like that. It's just so much, but I put it behind my pillow so that I won't forget. Even if I'm tired, I'll just take it out of my pillow and just put it on. That's one hack I found out from YouTube like 5 years ago. But I just fold my laundry and I put them away. Okay, so I went downstairs, I made my protein shake. I'm almost halfway done with this, but I was just talking for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. I'm so tired of this protein shake. Like, I'm only drinking this, to get muscles. I'm in my study room, aka my little sister's room. It's my study room right here, but I need to do cleaning here. I got like this new thing from Target, so I can put my pencils here and then like my iPad or whatever I need to, and just put it on the wall. And great invention. So I'm gonna disinfect everything. I usually edit here, so I do this every week, but this one I just want to do extra. I'm also gonna put the things for the calendar and like this next coming semester. So I almost said September. So I'm gonna put the dates, what I have to do so far. Like half of my teachers didn't even send me my syllabus, so hurry up. After that, I'm just gonna vacuum the floor, my hallway, and then my room's already clean. I just cleaned it like a few days ago, so I'm just gonna vacuum. So enjoy it. Okay, so I got this Aveeno foot mask because I've been hearing a lot about foot mask, but I didn't want the chemical peel because I just didn't want a foot peel mask. So I got this moisturizing mask and it just feels like lotion. Once you put your feet inside this plastic, it just feels so soft. But one thing I would say is that it's so hard to walk after. But this is the alternative. You can just put Vaseline or lotion and then wrap it with this plastic wrap and just put it around your foot. I should have put socks, but instead I just walked around and it felt like I was slipping even though I wasn't. While I was bored, I just wanted to clean my bathroom. I already cleaned it 3 days ago.
I gotta need some pencil.
So I'm just kind of like surface cleaning it, kind of disinfecting the tub. But I just did it for the sake of the video, but why not clean, right? I just got out of the shower and the products I use in the shower, oh, I also washed my hair too and I put deep conditioner. Oh, I got a bunch of things I gotta show you. I went in the shower and then I washed my hair, and the products I use for my hair is I use the Shea Moisture Strengthening Shampoo and it has apple cider vinegar, castor oil. It's good for hair growth. I'm almost done with it, but to be honest, when I'm done, I might go back to the Jamaican black castor oil one. It's good, but I feel like the other one did way better. I used the other one for years. I used this, the Not Your Mother's conditioner, and this is something new. My little sister McLeod told me to try this. You know, she's a hair guru. Stop smiling, I know you're smiling. Okay, tahini garden flower and mango butter. I switched the voiceover because it was getting loud, but yeah, this mango butter conditioner is so bomb. I also use this hairbrush to rub my scalp and this shampoo. Next, I use this matcha green tea, Not Your Mother's deep conditioner, and it's the best. It's almost better than the Shea Moisture one, and I'm gonna use this because it smells so good. These are the products I use in the shower, and using all of this made me smell so good, and it made this smell so strong. And I just used Dove, the whole line Dove, and then brush to scrub my feet, that cocoa butter oil to put it all over my legs, and it was just so shiny and it felt so good. I also started using this African net body washcloth, and it's the best. It exfoliates your skin and I can tell it cleans good. Next, for my hair, I use the Camille Rose hair milk and the Camille Rose gel. This was my first time using it and it was so good. I'm gonna keep using this. It gave me shine, softness, slip, everything. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some ideas of what to do for Sunday, and hopefully this Sunday you'll try this out, because I promise you I feel so organized after doing this. And if you did like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and come again.